Poor drainage systems in towns and cities contribute immensely to flooding. The drains and gutters constructed in the Techiman municipality are not large enough to ensure easy flow of water during rainy days, and this is one of the main causes of floods along the principal streets of the municipality. Residents are calling for the intervention of city authorities after some parts of the city was nearly flooded after less than 30 minutes of rainfall.
The
drainage constructed is too small, so the rainwater overflows onto the streets, making it difficult for us to cross. So we are appealing to authorities to help us find a lasting solution to this matter. It is always difficult for us as drivers whenever it rains. I was unable to cross this afternoon and had to use a different route around the main market. So we are all not spared, both drivers and Okada riders, because the rainwater gets into our vehicles, and that is worrying, so we are appealing for help. It's been so for the past 4 or 5 years since the construction of this road. This is even small. When it gets worse, you are even at risk of being carried away. Motorists are always at risk during rainy days, and school children find it difficult crossing the streets as a result of the situation.
Especially so talk a cars.
When it rains heavily, it drags vehicles, school children, sometimes causes accidents. So we want the regional minister, the MC and the member of parliament to come to our aid before something terrible happens.
Well, anymore you not to me a ma this empire for who be better my area. To Sunday and yan. Would they go nipa kwa ufiasia? To Sabbath my fall, I go grammar and more not.
Though authorities have over the years taken cosmetic measures to help address the situation, these residents want a lasting solution to the current situation.
Honorable MP and MC say, I'm so to higher kakra. And you know,
we are appealing to the MP and the MC to carry out a renovation work on this part of the road because it's not good for us. Reporting for Joy News, Anas Sabit, Techiman.